Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jonathan Coates and in today's free internet marketing training, I'm going to be sharing with you a daily method of operations for success. Now this document here, you can see in the description, is completely free. You don't have to put your email address in or anything like this. This strategy is directly inspired from Tanya Eliza. She was talking about network marketing. I'm going to be talking about internet marketing and direct response marketing. Now this method also works if using a cheat sheet. So you'll have your daily methods, basically your plan of attack on the left hand side here. And by tracking and monitoring your progress every single day by using X's or whatever, just make sure that you're marking off, like ticking off the activities every day. And at the end of the week, you're able to track your progress. I'll also have videos that directly complement this. So if you go to my channel and you type in plan, you'll see a video called how to plan, organize, and schedule content as a creator for business, how to strategically plan ads. And I also have a daily action plan for internet marketers. And there's another one called Traffic Cheat Sheet, daily actionable lead generation activities that drive massive results. So these are all videos that go in conjunction with this one. Those three I'm going to be sharing with you, as well as this third one. And you'll see why. That one's called How to Create Undivided Focus to Improve Your Cognitive Capabilities Using Deep Work Techniques by Cal Newport. And it'll all make sense as I'm going through this document. So let's go ahead and get started at the very top. Starting an internet marketing business can feel overwhelming, especially for someone juggling multiple responsibilities. So the subject of this article is to set a clear goal, grow a profitable internet marketing business with only 2 hours of focused work per day. Now, by creating a streamlined routine and sticking to it, you'll be able to make substantial progress without compromising other commitments. So this article outlines the daily method of operations and the key strategies that leads to success. So first we want to start by establishing focused work blocks. And Cal Newport is known for this. He's extremely strict when it comes to, rules for focused success in a distracted world. This is an extremely good book. I have it recommended on my list of books on my Instagram page, on my books tab. This is one of the most essential books that I've ever read in my life. And this book, alongside with Dan Kennedy's No BS Time Management for Entrepreneurs, he's a little bit more strict. He also has a bunch of videos on YouTube that I recommend you check out. And I'll try to have this in the description. You can find this stuff for free if you look hard enough. It's definitely worth buying. One of the most important aspects of this approach is the creation of dedicated work blocks. 1 hour in the evening, you can ensure that these times are solely reserved for business building activities. During these blocks, all distractions are eliminated, and the focus is placed entirely on tasks that drives growth, such as generating leads, engaging with potential customers, and optimizing marketing campaigns. The discipline to maintain these focus periods is crucial for maximizing productivity in a limited time frame. I have a video that I just made recently that complements this book, Deep Work Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Cal Newport. And as I was saying earlier, it's called How to Get Undivided Focus and Enhance Cognitive Capabilities with Deep Work Techniques by Cal Newport. I share 5 different tips from that book in this video, so I'll be sure to have this in the description and be sure to look out for it. Now, we want to implement a simple tracking system. I like to use Excel spreadsheets. I'm actually talking about Google Sheets for stuff like this, your own, in order to track your results, or even to just organize your leads, or a straightforward tracking system should be put in place. Using a Google Sheet, you can track interactions, follow-ups, and progress with potential clients. One column lists the names of contacts, while another column includes notes on their current status within the sales funnel. This approach ensures that every minute of those focused work blocks are used effectively. The tracking sheet provides a clear view of what needs to be done next, preventing any time from being wasted on unnecessary tasks. Another book that I recommend is called Fanatical Prospecting. He separates activities into 2 different categories. You have your platinum hours and you have your gold hours. You dedicate concentrated focus to prospecting and activities that's going to actually produce you income. And then in the platinum hours, you focus on stuff like, checking your email, rearranging paperwork, sweeping under the fridge, stuff like that. So if you go to my shorts tab, I actually just spoke about this. How to use fanatical prospecting for consistent sales growth. And again, I'll have this in the description. This is a really good book, by the way, Fanatical Prospecting. It'll really help you put things in perspective when it comes to income producing activities and how to keep your pipeline full when you're having a sales slump. But yeah, having a tracking system and monitoring and knowing everything that's going on is a great way to stay organized and be consistent on your daily method of operations. And then you want to set clear, realistic goals. Achieving success requires setting clear and realistic goals that can be broken down into daily actions. Instead of focusing on long-term results, set specific daily targets such as number of leads to generate or emails to send out. By concentrating on actionable steps, you'll be able to build momentum and consistently move closer to larger objectives. This focus on daily activities ensures that progress is being made even if results aren't immediately visible. In that video that I talked about when it comes to daily actionable activities for traffic generation, this one right here, daily actionable lead generation activities that drive massive results. You'll love this video. It really complements this actual Google sheet here as well as daily method of operation. And it'll help you to stay focused on those daily activities to ensure that progress is being made. The key philosophy behind this is consistent action over immediate results. Understanding that success doesn't come overnight but will be the outcome of regularly showing up and doing the work. By committing to daily activities like content creation, customer engagement, and marketing outreach, progress is made steadily. Consistency is the cornerstone of this strategy, proving that regular effort over time leads to substantial outcomes. Now, I want to talk about content creation. I have an entire playlist on copywriting tutorials, which is the best way to up your content game. In this, I show you how to use foundational principles alongside with modern AI assistant tools and stuff like that, swipe files and paraphrasing for effective messaging, and to also have a consistent way of creating content that's directly tailored to your audience. And I also have another video called the Oath Formula that addresses each stage that someone may be in when it comes to your product, service, or opportunity. So if they're oblivious, you can have a messages that pertain to those folks that are apathetic. You can have messages that relate to those folks, etc., or people who's desperately looking for a solution, or people who's just considering it, you know. So be sure to check out this playlist to help up your content game. It's extremely helpful. And by being consistent over time, applying these techniques, some pretty substantial outcomes. And making the most of extra time. Outside of the dedicated work blocks, any additional free time is used for personal development and staying updated with industry trends. Listening to marketing podcasts, reading relevant books, and watching instructional videos provides new insight and inspiration. This commitment to continuous learning ensures that you're always improving and able to implement the latest strategies and techniques in your business. Now, also, right here on my channel, and like I said, I'll have all of this stuff in the description, but in my playlist tab, you'll see where it says Abundance Mindset. Since 2014, these are all books that I've been reading day in and day out when it comes to entrepreneurship, selling, marketing, and they've had a fundamental impact on the way that I behave, act, think, and view life, and it's helped me to become not only a more efficient entrepreneur, but effective one as well. The Book of Five Rings, Napoleon Hill's video lecture on Think and Grow Rich, Jonathan Livingston Seagull, which is the book that I was named after, Dane Kennedy's Wealth Attraction Seminar from the early 2000s, The Little Money Bible, The 10 Laws of Abundance by Stuart Wilde, The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, the actual book Think and Grow Rich right here, 48 Laws of Power, the audiobook by Robert Greene, and then this book, Thick Face, Black Heart, which was actually one of my favorite books ever. It's a really good book for business owners, and then Psycho-Cybernetic to help you manage your self-image and reprogram your thoughts. These are really good books, but stuff like this is what we're talking about here. The commitment to continuous learning ensures that you're always improving and able to implement the latest strategies and techniques in your business. So those foundational books alongside with like current day marketing podcasts will keep you in the best of shape when it comes to applying the daily method of operations and improving over time in your personal and professional development. So in conclusion, building a successful internet marketing business or direct response marketing business doesn't require endless hours of work each day. By focusing on consistent, dedicated action within set time blocks, using a simple tracking system, and committing to ongoing learning, it's possible to achieve significant results. Not only just possible, but damn near guaranteed. The key lies not in the amount of time available, but in how that time is used. With the right approach, anyone can make progress and build a thriving online business. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. I even talk about copywriting, as you can see, artificial intelligence and automation, search engine optimization, email marketing, etc. So be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I have everything that I included in this video, from the traffic cheat sheet to the copywriting tutorials to help with your content game, from Deep Work, Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World, Dan Kennedy's No BS Time Management. Those are really good for like those consistent dedicated time blocks that we were talking about. And then this video alongside with that book will really help you out a lot. But you can get 5 tips from Deep Work, how to get undivided focus and enhance cognitive capabilities. And I just share some techniques from that book. And then also take a look at the abundance mindset. And also I have an affiliate marketing checklist right in the description that you can use that not only just focuses on affiliate marketing, but it can also apply to folks who are in just internet marketing in general or direct response marketing. You can have this checklist next to you and accompany you as you're going about your daily method of operations. It's completely free. All you gotta do is you put your name and your email address in. It'll get sent right to your inbox. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. See you then.